The NUARL N10 Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the NUARL N10 Plus earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips and ear wings. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, AAC, SBC, aptX codec, and CBC for noise reduction. 10mm drivers, ANC and ambient feature, and it also has app integration. Button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is slim with a glossy finish all around. On the top, you have the branding. The front of the case has the status LEDs. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it has a nice snap when opening and closing. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The ear indicators are etched in inside. Taking a look at the earbuds, it is on the larger side. The inside face has the ear markings, and on the outside face it has a glossy finish with the branding. On the bottom and on the back, you'll find the button controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, ear wings, charging contacts, LED, microphones, and button control. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few clicks or a long press to navigate playback, calls, and ANC modes. This also has app integration, and once paired you can toggle ANC and ambient features, adjust volume, EQ, and button settings, and also update the firmware. The case comes in at 3.7 by 1.4 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 68 grams, and the earbuds come in at 17 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. Strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the NUARL N10 Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were comfortable and they seated well in my ears. They felt secure as the earwings help with the overall fit. The button placement on the top and the back don't add pressure in the ear canals when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. Earbuds and case feel durable. The case will attract fingerprints with its glossy finish. Earbuds are a bit larger and will protrude out a bit. Button controls have nice feedback and controls are easy once you remember the placement and function of each button. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 30 with the case. Having ANC on will reduce it by a few hours. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to have seen wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The ANC feature worked well and canceled the surroundings, one of the better ones that I have tested. The ambient feature was able to pick up the surrounding sounds when activated loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has its presence. It comes in deep, tight, and precise. It doesn't overwhelm, and it's not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. Crisp sounds with good separation, and it was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, the earbuds performed well. It has solid sounds and features. So that is my review of the NUARL N10 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.